Hey friends, I want to show you really quick Agent Grid. Agent Grid is a desktop app for Mac and Windows that lets you manage your different coding agents. I have Agent Grid here open, the project Agent Grid open in Agent Grid itself, and we use the product to build the product itself. And you can see I have a bunch of different workers that all come off this single coordinator here, and it's actually doing some work right now. I can open the Explorer, see what is happening. So it's doing rebase, and it's going through and doing the rebase. It's actually just finished now, so it's all done here. If I go back to the coordinator here, it actually summarized what was going on. But as I go through my projects, and I'll zoom in here to show you a bit better. So as I go through the project itself, I start writing down issues that I find in the project or areas of improvement. In this case, I found that this Explorer view didn't have a keyboard shortcut, so I asked for a keyboard shortcut to close it. I found a bug in the minimap itself, and here's the implementer for the minimap. I can send it follow-up messages and test it. I also had a couple of reviewers, one from Codex and one from Anti-Gravity. It implemented it using Cloud Code, and then it got reviewed by Codex, got reviewed by Anti-Gravity, and actually got QA'd, and this is by Cloud Code itself. It got QA'd, and we can see the verdict of the QA is just to ship it. So we can quickly go to that PR if we wanted to and merge it there as well. We can also just jump on a call with even the QA, Alex, see what it was thinking about. I usually jump on calls with the orchestrator often and talk about like a big feature. So, hey, what were we talking about? And can you give me like a brief summary of what happened? We're just demoing you out.
Sure, absolutely. Here's a quick recap. We recently rebased all your open PRs onto the latest main.
Cool. All right, so it gives you an idea of what's going on there. We also have the ability to launch terminals and have the orchestrator know about the terminal and the terminal output. It can connect to it and monitor it. So if you want to run commands or do whatever you want. And the big difference between that and something like Cloud Code is that you have visibility on what's going on. In Cloud Code, something like that with subagents is possible, but it is hidden behind a terrible UI, and you also can't launch other agents against it as easily there. So and there's that, and then there's the you can work on multiple projects here, of course, and then see what's going on. But as we can close this project here, and then we can reopen it here. So there's no more need to keep a project open for weeks and weeks and weeks at a time and have that anxiety that we all felt about not and closing and losing our tabs and losing our sessions. We can even have things like a browser here as well. And we have a bunch more features down the pipeline. I think that we have notes and stuff like that. We can, of course, open Codex, and coming up, we're going to build the ability to launch cloud instances for things, do things on your phone, and then also collaboration features, so you can actually see what other humans on the team are doing and working on, and you can collaborate with them. So, yeah, give it a try. Let us know what you think. It's been a game changer for us building our projects, but I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks. All right, bye.